Welcome back to the channel, folks. I'm Jen with Slingmods.com, and today we have the dashboard-mounted docking station for the Can-Am Spyder RT. If you own a 2010 to a 2019 Spyder RT, RTS, or RT Limited and have been on the lookout for a convenient way to mount your aftermarket accessories, then you may be interested in our dashboard-mounted docking station. This docking station is constructed from aluminum and powder-coated black to blend seamlessly with the dashboard. It features laser-cut Spyder lettering across it for that custom look and includes 3 1-inch mounting balls along with pre-threaded rib nuts, allowing you to attach your favorite ram mount products such as phone holders or rear-view mirrors. It comes with all necessary hardware and installs in just a few minutes. Without further ado, allow us to walk you through the installation process.
Before you begin, make sure that your bike is on level ground and that your parking brake is engaged. Use a T25 Torx wrench to remove the 2 factory dash screws located here. The factory hardware will not be reused. Insert one of the provided screws in from the top side of the mounting bracket, then top it off with a spacer on the back side. Then repeat on other side. Use a 4mm Allen wrench to snug down the screw on each side of the bracket.
If a dashboard-mounted docking station is something you'd like to see on your bike, head over to slingmods.com or click the link in the description below to grab one for yourself. And feel free to hit that like button and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest and greatest for the Can-Am Spyder. I'm Jen, signing out until next time.